Alright, today we have a headphone comparison besides the Apple EarPods from 2012 and these Eleeder I36 headphones. Let's take a listen. Well, it's safe to say these stink, because look at that. Let's see if they sound like children's percussion. Yep, they sound like children's percussion. These have way more bass than these. And these are the ones that get gross too. See, they're already starting to get gross. I didn't notice this before, but it had a volume control that did absolutely nothing. I tried fiddling with it during the test. It did absolutely nothing. So yeah, these sort of suck compared to these Eleeder I36 headphones. And these were released around the same time. So yeah, that wraps up our audio test for today. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all later. Bye.